Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss this very simple example of triple integration. Okay. So it's very simple example, but see, with the help of this example, we will learn the procedure, the method of solving any example of triple integration. So whatever the given integral, generally we call it as a I. So let us call I is equal to what we have, integration 1 to 3 in e 1 to e and 1 to e 1 upon x y z dx dy dz. See, fortunately the limits of these integrations are 1 to e, that means these are constants. So when the limits are constants, you can easily make them separate and solve the problem. But see, I will follow the procedure. Whatever the procedure I am telling you, that is applicable for each and every example of triple integration. Okay. So that's why I will follow the method, I will follow the procedure. First, we solve the inner integration, then we solve the middle integration, and then we solve the outer integration. So this is the method we follow. Getting? You can easily see three variables are there, three integrations are there. The inner integration with respect to x, the middle integration is with respect to y, and the outer integration with respect to z. And some simple formulas of integration we will use. We will solve the inner integration first. Okay, so let us write integration 1 to e, 1 to e, 1 to e, 1 upon x, y, z dx. So I will draw bracket here, okay, to indicate that we are solving the inner integration first. Inner integration with respect to x. So when you integrate with respect to x, all remaining variables are constant. So y and z are constant, so they will go outside. 1 to e, 1 to e. Y and z are constant, but see, they are in denominator. So when they come outside, we write 1 upon yz, 1 to e, 1 by x dx dy dz. So we are familiar with this formula. Integration of 1 by x is log x. See, this formula I am going to use, right? So this is equal to 1 to e, 1 to e, 1 upon yz. Its integration is log x, limits 1 to e dy dz. Always we put the upper limit first at a place of x, then we will put lower limit. So integration 1 to e, 1 to e, 1 upon yz, I am putting upper limit, log e minus I am putting lower limit, which is 1 dy dz, right? See, we know the value of log e, which is 1, and the value of log 1, which is 0. So let us use this fact. I am going to put their values here. Log e is 1 and log 1 is 0. 1 to e, 1 to e, 1 upon yz, log e 1, 0, dy dz. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 into anything you will get same. So this is equal to integration 1 to e, 1 to e. So inside it simply we have 1 upon yz dy dz. We are solving the middle integration, so that's why I have drawn bracket. Okay, so that means we will focus on this integration only, which is integration with respect to y. So with respect to y, that means z is constant, we can take it outside. So z is constant, but see, it is in denominator, so 1 by z will come outside. Integration 1 to e, 1 by y dy dz. What is the integration of 1 by y? Tell me, what is the integration of 1 by y? Same formula, log y. So 1 to e, 1 by z, log y, limits 1 to e dz. Okay, after that, we put the upper limit, then we put the lower limit. Upper limit is e, I am putting here. So integration 1 to e, 1 by z, log e minus log 1, right? I am putting upper limit e and 1 dz. See, same values we got. Now log e is 1 we know and log 1 is 0. Let us put the values again. Just a minute, I'll write here. So this is equal to integration 1 to e, 1 by z, log e 1 log 1 0 dz. 1 minus 0 1 and 1 into anything same, so that means 1 by z will be there. Okay, 1 by z will be there. So integration 1 to e 1 by z, this is 1, so dz, integration of 1 by z is log z. No need to say now, right, since you are familiar with the formula. I am going to put the upper limit first and then lower limit. That means we'll get log e minus log 1. Log e is 1, log 1 is 0, so it is 1. That means the final answer is 1. So in this way we solved this example of triple integration. Okay, so you can make a screenshot of it, you can note down in your notebook. If you have really understood this example, now I am giving the one problem to solve. Okay, so you have to try the next problem at your own, and if you have any difficulty or if you want to check your answer, you can watch my next video, okay, in which I am going to discuss. Just make a screenshot of it. I will tell you the next example. So this is the next example. You can try on your own. Okay, this is homework for you. Okay, and if you have any difficulty or if you want to cross check your answer, you can watch my next video. Thank you. See you.